Ever find your Nikon D850 video footage losing focus at the worst possible moment? Don't let autofocus frustrations ruin your cinematic vision today. We're diving deep into fixing common autofocus issues on your Nikon D850 while recording video. First, let's ensure your camera is set up for optimal video autofocus. Press the INFO button to bring up the shooting information display. Navigate to the AF mode menu for video. You'll want to select AFF, which stands for full-time AF. This keeps the camera constantly adjusting focus. Next, access the F area mode. Auto area AF is a good starting point for most situations, as it lets the camera intelligently select the focus point. However, if you're tracking a specific subject, try subject tracking AF for more precise results. Now, let's fine-tune focus tracking. Go to the custom settings menu and find focus tracking sensitivity. This slider controls how quickly the camera reacts to subject movement. A setting of normal is usually best for general recording. If your subject moves erratically, you might want to experiment with slightly higher settings, but be aware this can sometimes lead to hunting, where the focus searches back and forth. For incredibly smooth focus transitions, especially when panning between subjects, consider using manual focus override with AFF selected. You can simply turn the focus ring on your lens to manually adjust focus even when autofocus is active. This gives you creative control over your focus pulls. Remember, good lighting and a clear subject are your autofocus's best friends. Avoid busy backgrounds that can confuse the camera's autofocus system. Experiment with these settings. Practice your focus pulls, and soon you'll be capturing sharp, professional video with your Nikon D850.